I have this Dollar Tree snowflake that I have left over from the winter, and I'm going to paint it in chocolate. I also found that the flower shape that you can get in the dollar store right now would work as well. And then I'm going to, while the chocolate's wet, I'm going to add in mandarina. I found this children's toy. It's the paddle ball. You can either get it with these curves, it looks like an ice cream cone, or you can get it with no curves, which it would work just as well. And I started by painting it in Wise Owl white primer. Once that dried, I painted it in chocolate. You're going to need the primer as this is basically cardboard. With the white paint, I created 2 round circles at the top of my paddle. I then created a beak coming from those 2 round circles. And then I'm going to take some black and create 2 round circles from the tip of a brush. And then I'm going to create 2 smaller circles within those black circles and 2 tiny circles at the base and make a squiggly line through my beak. We're just creating a face here. I'm going to outline my paddle in black. And then I'm going to take some red and make the turkey's beard. You want to start at the top of the beak. You just want to kind of hug the beak and then come down at the bottom. I'm going to take some white paint. I'm going to outline near my black paint. This is more like a dry brush of the white. I'm going to outline on the outside of my black paint. And you're just going to make the lines throughout the chest and down the neck. This is just going to give my turkey some interest. I found this stencil at the Hobby Lobby. They have great prices. And I'm going to use this buffalo check with the white. I have layers of paint. I'm probably not going to get full coverage, but I'm fine with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you want to use a little paint. Then once everything's dry, I'm going to glue my turkey to the snowflake. I found this box at the Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint it chocolate. You can either hang your turkey or you can use this box so that it stands. I'm going to use some Elmer's glue and a little bit of hot glue and glue on my snowflake and my turkey paddle here. And now you have this cute box. I'm going to add some eyebrows. I found this Happy Fall. It came in a cluster of like 6 of them. And I'm going to glue it to the chest of my turkey, and I got that at Hobby Lobby. And then I had this little orange string. You can use yarn, raffia, twine, anything of that nature, and I'm just gluing it to the top of his head. I'm going to cut mine short and just kind of let it unravel. I'm going to give it a quick sanding, very light with a sanding pad. And then I'm going to use my lemon verbatim. This is our salve from Wise Owl. We also have this palm brush available. It's just rub on, rub off. This comes in scented or unscented. The unscented is food grade. This is made with all essential oils. The scent I'm using is lemon verbatim. It's my favorite, but they have many to choose from. You can get that at ChocolateUpFancy.com along with some of the paint. And there you go. This is a rub on and a rub off, the salve. And then I'm just going to add a bow to his neck. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at ChocolateUpFancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, ChocolateUpFancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.